Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back. This is our lecture number 13 regarding coordination chemistry. Beta, we are discussing about the nomenclature of coordination compounds. Beta, rule number 1, rule number 2 to rule number 3 aspect kareskat. Rule number 1 was about naming the positive part followed by the negative part. Rule number 2 was entirely about the naming of ligands along with their charge and the donor atoms. Rule number 3 was about the numerical prefixes used for the ligands. So rule 3 was agar coordination compounds ligands multiple numbers we will use the numerical prefixes di for 2, tri for 3, and then tetra for 4, and then penta for 5, so on and so forth. Besides that, कि अगर एक लिगेंडस मज पॉलीडेंटेड लिगेंडस मज अंदर कन नंबर आशिवान नावस अंदर कन डाई अंदर कन ट्राई आशिवान टेट्रा आशिवान देयर आर सो मेनी लिगेंड्स लाइक इथेन 1,2 diamine dipyridyl ethylene diamine tetraestate पता सनेम ligands in multiple numbers then tilches use karan numerical prefix bis numerical prefix tris numerical prefix tetra kis numerical prefix penta kis so on and so forth yutun tan be won me raat kis lectures mas toy there are certain ligands yiman numerical prefix di tri use karan sich badla compound representation hawan ya represent gasan timan khata tiches numerical prefix bis tris tetra kis use karan तो अख पॉइंट अख याद थवन तो यम सातन असिम numerical prefixes use करो bis tris tetra kis penta kis करो अस use say for example एकस ligands मज छे bis use करुन as numerical prefix अम पत छ ब्याक चीज तो याद थवन कि युस ligand अस अम पत नाव लेखो तम ligand उक नाव छ हावन within parenthesis without any space and without using any hyphen. The numerical prefixes like bis, tris, tetra, kis, etc. यम जन यूज करान ठीक अम पत ligand लेखान ligand सुन नाव युस जन name of ligand shabash is written in parenthesis without any space. Please note it down, without any space and without using hyphen tishin use karun ke usually shute organic chemistry maz wuchan im satan is brackets maz kuni substance uk naam as havun to pata is parenthesis that use karai so this hyphen use karan. Now let us try to understand what I mean to say by citing an example. Say for example mesh a complex, here we have CREN whole 3 and then we have its Cl3 is a coordination compound. Now if we want to employ the 3 rules that we have seen so far, then as per rule number 1 we will name the positive part first followed by the negative part and then in the positive part we will start the name by small alphabet and we will name the ligands and we will represent the number of ligands by the numerical prefix. Ligand is ethane 1,2 diamine ligand. Now see here we have the ligand is ethane 1,2 diamine in the number of complexes must 3. So we cannot use try, we have to use the numerical prefixes use karo, that is tris chess use karan and then without any space, without using any hyphen. So it is tris ethane 1,2 diamine and then central atmosphere में उन काट कर मुस्किया am pat kya ases naw lekhun, it is chromium, and then followed by its oxidation state, and then followed by the name of the negative part. The negative part is obviously here chloride, that we will see how to name the negative part and how to name the metal ion. फिलहाल छुस बह फोकस करान युस एस न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स ट्रिस यूज पे करन या बिस यूज पे करन टेट्रा किस यूज पे करन अम पत युस लिगेंड सु नाव छु सु लिगेंड सु नाव छ हावन विद इन पैरेंथेसिस 1 2 येतन छु हाइफन एस यूज करन के हाइफन ति छु विदाउट एनी हाइफन. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दिस इज अबाउट द rule number 3, that we have to place the numerical prefix tris for the ligand if its number is equal to 3 and the ligand possesses the name di-tri-tetra. नावस अंदर कन आसि कुन शे अथ मज इंडिकेशन आसान अमुक, that is di-tri-tetra कुन त शे अगर आसि तेल हेकन बट ट्राई येतन यूज करित के. मिसाल के तौर पर अगर हम बदले में लीगेंड आया से वी हैव द लीगेंड फॉर एग्जांपल CrNH3 होल 6 यथ कन जन मे कंपाउंड Cl3 यथ पर वो रूल 1 2 and 3. Here the ligand is ammonia. मे अमोनिया तह वोनमुत नाव अत एमाइन लेखान शबाश अहन नंबर इक्वल टू 6 एमाइनस मज कुने शे डाई कहें. सो 6 न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स ये हेक्सा एमाइन. सो इट इज हेक्सा एमाइन एंड देन इट इज क्रोमियम. तम पे नाव हम ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट लेखान सह कर बह रूल नंबर 4 मज कथ एंड देन वी हैव टू नेम द नेगेटिव पार्ट. इट इज ओबियसली क्लोराइड विदाउट एनी न्यूमेरिकल. द आयोनाइजेबल पार्ट यूज आसे coordination sphere nebrkan yim te ions asan whether on right side or whether on this left side timan khatra chunes numerical prefix use karun ke iten chun me trichloride yemis lekhun ke iten chun trichloride lekhun yemis ke ithe ken agar coordination spheres nebrkan asan for example 4 potassium ions we have K4 बाकी ये कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर लिगेंडन खतर न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स यूज कर ये टेट्रा पोटेशियम नाव लिखुन के लिखुन पोटेशियम डायरेक्टली. सो द आयोनाइजेबल पार्ट ये ब्या नाव वो द काउंटर आयन नंबर यूजन सह इंडिकेशन हावन कह तहद न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स तिमन खतर यूज करन के वट एवर बी देयर नंबर. इथे कन अगर कुन कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंडस कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयरस नेबर कन आसन से फॉर एग्जांपल सल्फेट आयन्स आसन 2 we will name this positive part and then employing rule 1 2 and 3 and then we have the sulfate SO4 whole 2 यछ में डाइसल्फेट नाव लेखुन के आयोनाइजेबल पार्टस या काउंटर आयन नंबर अगर आसी मोर देन 1 तम खतर न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स यूज कर न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स सिर्फ यूज कर वाइल नेमिंग द लिगेंड्स एंड बाकी कितकन न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स अम खतर यूज कर सह कर पतमिस लेक्चरस मज रूल नंबर 3 मज कथ. So this is it. So what was important is actually that the numerical prefixes the numerical prefixes bis, tris, tetra, kis, penta, kis, so on and so forth. Yem satan es use karo. Am pat us ligand sun nav es havun chu ligand sun nav immediately havun within parenthesis without using any hyphen. So this is how we represent the name of a coordination compound by writing the numerical prefixes of the ligand. So this is about rule 1 2 and then rule number 3. Now we will come to rule number 4. Now this is very important, rule number 4. And rule number 4 it is about the naming of ligands. It is about again the naming of ligands. Yeah, we can say order of naming of ligands. See, we have seen rule number 1. Rule number 2 was about naming of ligands, how we will name the ligands. And rule number 4 is about the order of the naming of ligand. Kath ligands kya kar dimo es now. So while naming the ligand, I will write it here that the ligands are named. The ligands are named in their alphabetical order. Alphabetical. It can authorize formulation. Must one ke formula coordination sphere मज गोडनेथ central metal atom लेखान तम पत ligand his formula लेखान in alphabetical order. Now today the ligands are also named in alphabetical order. But then is important. Yimzan numerical prefixes asan. The numerical prefixes die agar use was gasan, try agar use was gasan, tetra agar was use gasan. These are not considered. Yim chunta consider karun kya? Considered for the. These are not considered for the writing of ligands in order of in their alphabetical order. Alphabetical order must die, try, tetra agar use was gasa numerical prefix. You should consider karun ke alphabetical order khatre. You have to see the name of the ligand to compare to start gasa. Say for example we have amine and then we have the numerical prefix with it, that is diamine or triamine or tetraamine. Then numerical prefix you should die use and choose try, choose tetra. You should consider karun ke for the determination or for the order of the ligand. So order of ligand khatre chuni use karun ke should consider karun ke. For example, agar bas samjhao, we will take the example of a complex. Say we have CO and then we have NH3 whole 4 and then we have Cl and this is NO2 and this is it Cl. It's a coordination compound. A coordination compound is zaruri that we have rule number 2 was about the naming of ligands, rule number 3 was about again the numerical prefixes of ligands. We are gradually moving to finish the name of the coordination compound. So while writing the name of the coordination compound, then in the coordination sphere it is necessary that we have to name the ligands first. Godnechess ligand and naudin tampaches central metal ionos naudin ya central metal atoms naudin. And then this is important that we have to name the ligands first. Godnet diyute ligand and now tampachute dun central metal ionos now ya central metal atoms naudin. Then followed by its oxidation state. Sikarba witen lekhba wun borders pertai. Mar yaad thaite godnet dimos ligand and now tampa dimos now central metal ionos oxidation state tishahavun in Roman numbers. The philosopher Kafkara ligands are named in their alphabetical order. Now see here. Yethenus ligand, first ligand is amine, ammonia achnav amine. Dayim ligand usanchi it is chlorido ya chloro. Trayim ligand usanchi it is NO2 negative, it is nitro. Halanki yethenchi 4 ammonia molecules tetraamine. So agar to at bunyadas par depiyo is karo alphabetical order tetra should use karun ke for the calculation or for considering, or this tetra is not considered for the order of the naming of the ligands or for the order of the writing of the name of a ligand. So yem satan me order priority his kath karin che priority must zaruri ke yim zannam numerical prefixes asan tim chunta consider karin ke. So it is tetraamine. Askit kanu alphabetical order ligand ko chatmas. It is amine. So yemuk chiwa godnet A amine. You have to neglect the numerical prefix tetra, di, tri, etc. Then we have chlorido. Then we have nitro. So godneti aminus now, pati chloridos now, pati nitros now, irrespective of their numerical prefixes. So if you want to name this, then we'll follow all the rules that we have seen so far. So it is named tetra karni kuhante problem. Into they will teach you what tetra numerical prefix is not considered. Ligands kya it is tetraamine. Note it down. It is tetra A-double-M. Tetraamine bewun me rahti toy noms H and diamoshin kuhni A neglect karun ke ya omit karun ke. It is tetraamine. तम पत का थी नाव इट इज क्लोरिडो तम पत का थी नाव NO2 नेगेटिव ओत्र वोनमुत मे इट इज नाइट्रो शाबाश तम पति नाव कोबाल्ट सी इट इज कोबाल्ट एंड देन वी हैव अम पच अम कोबाल्ट एटमिक ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट हावन पैरेंथेसिस मज युस बा रूल नंबर 5 मज कत कर एंड देन we have to name the negative part the counter ion agar im zte asan tre asan tzor say for example agar itken te asa Cl3 me shun tam sat yat naw wanun trichloride ki ach tam sat naw wanun chloride me won numerical prefix chun toy counter ion khatra use karun ke so here if it is Cl then we will name it as chloride and then there can be a little bit of space between the positive part and negative part akul cheez vetan munkenas hawan toy kin that is the oxidation state of central metal atom or ion cha havun metal atom baad within parenthesis amish kath karba rule number 5 asmas please try to understand that within the coordination sphere ऐसे में लिखूंगा इतन तो थे दान बकैलक लाइन या बकैलक स्टेटमेंट इतन इत क्यों है लेख बर और रूल नंबर 4 मज क्या चीज लिखो इस सो within the coordination sphere the ligands are named first in their alphabetical order followed by the name of central metal atom or ion. So it is central metal atom or ion along with its oxidation state oxidation state in Roman numbers within parenthesis this is rule number 4 coordination sphere must godnet naw dunas ligand tam pach ligand naw chudin in their alphabetical order baki kat kar mein numerical prefixes are not used for the determination of the order of the naming of ligands in their alphabetical order. We have to see the name of the ligand and then we have to name the ligands in their alphabetical order. Ligand baad diyute now central metal atom or ion kit ken dimos now ye central metal atom or ion now kit ken dimos so karos rule number 5 asmas ka magar central metal ion now after ligands then central metal ions baad chahavin amich oxidation state so oxidation state chahavin in Roman numbers misal agar central metal atom asya oxidation state charge equal to +1 oxidation state asya equal to +1 issue parenthesis mas havun Roman number so it is this is +1 oxidation state this is for +1 oxidation state agar oxidation state asya equal to +2 issue oxidation state to havun in Roman numbers like this oxidation state asya +3 issue havun within parenthesis in Roman numbers oxidation state asya equal to 0 each havun within parenthesis like this oxidation state asya negative so negative oxidation state is havun within parenthesis this is for the name of the central metal ion followed by its oxidation state so this is about rule number 4 chaliye now rule number 5 aspect gases about 95% nomenclature rules employ rule number 5 aspect yani godnik 5 rules jinzan che temo sid gasanas 95 to 98% compound coordination compound now clear yani maximum compound now using asi those will be based on rule 1 2 3 4 and then 5 so this is it rule number 5 then we have some other rules 6 7 and 8 those are occasionally used for the coordination compounds so those are special cases So rule number 5 is like this. So it is for the name of, it is for the name of coordination sphere. Name of coordination sphere and name of coordination sphere and ending of central metal atom or ion. Ending of the name of central metal atom or ion. यानी वुनिक तान यम rule 1 2 3 4 and then rule 5 as well वुच तथ बुनियादस पे युस वन coordination sphere as a whole बनो से यिथ कन च coordination sphere as कुनि complexes मज. We will cite some examples. This is coordination sphere. Now if it is positively charged, then we can have the negatively charged species outside the coordination sphere. Then the other case is that the coordination sphere can be negatively charged and then we have the positively charged species outside the coordination sphere towards its left side. The third case is that the coordination sphere can be electrically neutral and then there is no charge on the complex. Tel chi beta ith kaun coordination sphere mas chunki rule number 4 mas kar me kath godne dimo es name of ligands followed by the name of the central metal atom or ion along with its oxidation state within parentheses in Roman numbers. Then we have the following types. Now this is important, that the complex can be cationic complex ionish kachis bakaran ya complex heki neutral asit. Third case ch complex heki anionic asit. Fourth case as well sakarba last pet kath agar to cationic complex ch ya neutral complex ch. Now we have rule number 4 as mas this is bonan. We will first name the ligands in their alphabetical order followed by the central metal atom or ion. Time now. If the complex is cationic or it is neutral, then use atmas central metal atom chu. Central metal atom or central metal ion, it is named as such. For example, a complex chu yath was coordination sphere pet positive charge chu tath mas chu copper ion in its +2 oxidation state. Copper atom chu now then directly copper. A complex chu that is electrically neutral tath mas just metal atom chu for example iron as ath mas badim direct now tat iron. Ath mas as for example potassium, ath mas as for example copper badim direct now copper. Ath mas as cobalt tat chu direct now then copper. So cobalt. So parin now chu tithe kuhun change and karan kihin. So this is very important, that if the complex is cationic or the complex is neutral, then the name of the central metal atom or ion, which is obviously written after the name of the ligands, it is named as such. Kuhun change and karan. If we have iron, we will name it as iron. We have copper, we will name it as copper. We have cobalt, we will name it as cobalt. We will have cadmium, tajimo direct now cadmium. We will have platinum, tajimo direct now as platinum. But if the complex is anionic, agar complex anionic is, dhyan thaijo, this one is very much important. Yani agar coordination sphere pe to negative charge chu, atmas ju central metal atom chu ya atmas ju central metal ion chu, ohand now usen chu, so guys end gasun with, that is ended with, or the name of the central metal atom or ion is ended with ATE placed as S suffix. Till chat last is ATE add karum. Please try to understand it. For example, agar copper asi meshwan not. So for example, if I have, say we have aluminium achwan now aluminate. Agar me chromium cha achnavan chromate. Agar me for example atmas iron cha achnavan ferrate. Magar agar yeh iron was in the complex which is cationic or it is which is electrically neutral, then iron is now iron hi magar iron agar belongs to coordination sphere which is anionic, tel chat iron is now tit content that last is put asun ATE, it is named as AT ferrate. Tam satan दिमोस नाव फेरेट सो ये चीज अंडरस्टैंड करने खातिर दिम बस 2-3 एग्जांपल तय वन से गोडनिक नी लेक्चर मज मे एग्जांपल दिसमस आज वो कंप्लीट नाव क्या से वी हैव CuNH3 दिस इज इट whole 4 and then we have SO4 this is a coordination compound पांचवे रूल चार्ट पर अप्लाई करन रूल नंबर 1 में वनान पॉजिटिव पार्टस दिस नाव गोडनेथ पात नेगेटिव पार्टस क्लियर देन रूल नंबर 2 मज वुचमुत लिगेंड नाव कित कठन दिमो यत मज लिगेंड अमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल्स यमन नाव एमाइन्स या एमाइन छत नाव रूल नंबर 3 में वनान न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स कित कन यूज करो सो इट इज टेट्राएमाइन and then rule number 4 as must is wuchan ki ligands are named first followed by the central metal atom or ion rule number 5 chuna agar central metal ion was belong gasan to the coordination sphere which is positively charged yus atmas metal atom chu tach pannui naw din atmas copper ach naw wanun copper agar yahay copper asi coordination sphere as mas itanat negative charge as ach naw din tam satan cuprate so let us see then also this counter ion numerical prefix naman khatir use karon ke even if it was SO4 whole 2 tam satan ti usme counter ion as naadin sulfate now let us try to see what is the name let us go according to rule number first we will name the positive part first and then see here the charge is equal to -2 the charge is equal to +2 this is positive part and this one is negative part we will first name the positive part what is the positive part as now now we have to name the ligands first along with their numerical prefix. What is the numerical prefix? It is tetra. Here it is tetra, T small. And then we have amine. So this is tetraamine. Then it is copper. Belongs to positive part. So it is tetraamine copper. तम पच ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट लिखुन बहाव ते नेक्स्ट टाइप कस मज ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कित कन करान फिलहाल यथ कंपाउंड्स मज कॉपर पे ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इक्वल टू 2 सह में इन रोमन नंबर्स विदाउट एनी स्पेस एंड देन वी विल नेम द नेगेटिव पार्ट देयर इट इज सल्फेट ऑफ पे नाउ सल्फेट दिस इज द complete name of the coordination compound so it is tetraamine copper second and then sulfate this is as per rule 1 2 3 4 and then 5 likewise if I quote an example dhyan thajo yokun back example niman by it is K4 and then we have FeCN whole 6 isha a coordination compound ach naw lekhun Shabash. Rule number 1 chuvana godnet this a positive part as now but this a negative part as now positive part cheten munkenas it is this K4 because K potassium possesses +1 charge it will potassium will possess 4 points of positive charge if it go charge equal to -4 how this is positive part and this is negative part here positive part is simple ion is number equal to 4 you don't have to name it as tetra potassium simple ion khatir numerical prefixes use kara ke tel go direct naw athit kon so it is potassium at now p usan chi p ge small asun then negative part is on complex part there is a little bit of space between positive part and negative part that has to be kept while naming it and then negative part complex part as much as godnet ligand and now in their alphabetical order it is a type of ligands and then numerical prefix is there it is hexa shabash tampat kya goes hexacyanido ampachi important atmas kya chu iron atom when we see the oxidation state of iron the oxidation state is equal to +2 in this compound yah compound mein shahas oxidation state equal to +2 theek sahaba base type qismas kit kan oxidation state karan aur filhal but iron atom the central metal atom belongs to negative part it will not be named as iron achu toy naw din titken ki last pe geset this AT yasun so it is named as ferrate along with its oxidation state this is its oxidation state so this is example 1 and then example 2 likewise if I have so this was a complex here it is a cationic complex and then this one is this complex is anionic complex When I say anionic complex, it means the coordination sphere is negatively charged, and when I say this is cationic complex, it means that the coordination sphere is positively charged. So last example agar banim, the example of, say for example we have the example of Cr, and then this is a coordination compound, and then we have Cl3. This is coordination compound. Done. So this is again cationic part and this is anionic part. Now we have to name the positive part first, followed by the negative part. Positive part asmas to coordination sphere asmas to ligand to ethane 1,2 diamine. Shabash. Ligand to atmas ethane 1,2 diamine to ligand atmas. Shabash. Ihund number numerical prefix kya gas beta am khotr use. It will be the tris. Isme take example to who tris without any hyphen, and then we have to immediately place the name of the ligand in the parenthesis, and then it will be followed by the name of the central metal atom or central metal ion. It is chromium here. Now we have to see whether this metal atom belongs to positive part or negative part. Make a agari positive part as belongs karan telchu direct as pannu inaadun. So it endimas ba now chromium without any space. It is chromium along with its oxidation state complex as much oxidation state third, and then we have to see the oxidation state is third, versus B1 oxidation state to carbon next to lecture. And this is as per rule number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we have the complex, the simple part, it is chloride. Tihun number to 3. But you don't have to use the numerical prefix trichloride. Actually direct now it is chloride. Actually mono trichloride can numerical prefix simple ion khatra use karon ke. So अगर यह कंपाउंड्स पे तो नजर त्रे तला 5 रूलन पे दिमाग बन नजर अच्छा तिम यतन सारी तगान एम्प्लॉय करन यतन पॉजिटिव पार्ट्स जितने गोडनेथ नाव पत नेगेटिव पार्ट्स. दिस इज रूल नंबर 1. अथ रूल नंबर 1 मज च नाव ग स्टार्ट गसन विद स्मॉल लेटर. ठीक छ देयर इट इज टी कोर में स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल. अथ रूल मज च युस कॉम्प्लेक्स पार्ट ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड च तमिक नाव छु तय अक्वी लेखन विदाउट एनी स्पेस. ये कि छु तय वुछ अथ सरसी कॉम्प्लेक्स पार्ट्स च अक्वी नाव में होमुत विदाउट एनी स्पेस. Shabash. Rule number 2 asmas ligand now hishmut it is ethane 1,2 diamine. Rule number 3 asmas numerical prefix is kat karmas. Iten gase try use ki iten gase tris use. Tris go use. Be rule number 3 asmas it kohnan ke ampat use now as ligand sun immediately shes thawan within the parenthesis. Agar ye iten badal ligand asya yem khatra ligand like ha now like ha try telos me parenthesis use karun ke. It is for bis tris tetrakis and so on and so forth. So then within the parenthesis within parenthesis, so this is trace ethane 1,2 diamine, and the rule number 4 was about the order of the naming of ligands. We have only one type of ligands, so there is no question of naming the ligands in their alphabetical order since there is only one type of ligands. Then rule number 5 she take it the positive this central metal ionic now using so it can guess and gasun so that will be ended with ATE if it belongs to negative part, but here it belongs to positive part. The name is kept as such. It is bilkul taken down. So this is chromium, and then we have to name the negative part. Tam use karon numerical prefixes came. But next lecture was asked this was about rule 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This coming lecture asked sirif examples on the naming of the coordination compounds. Now then we will switch to rule 5, this 6 and 7 and then 8 which are the special cases. So till then take care, and then we will see you in the next lecture.